Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your mathematics class. Myself, Devi Prasad sir. Today, I am going to explain you about the chapter shares and dividends. Some terms related with a share. Number one, the original value of a share is called its nominal value. It is always abbreviated as NV or face value or printed value. The nominal value of a share always remains same. Second point, the price of a share at any time is called its market value, and it is always abbreviated as MV or cash value. The market value of a share changes from time to time as per the demand of the share in the market. Third point, if the market value of a share is the same as its nominal value, the share is called at par shares. That is, 100 rupees shares are being sold at 100 rupees. Fourth one, if the market value of a share is more than its nominal value, the share is called at premium or above par. If a share of rupees 100 is selling at rupees 135, then it is said to be selling at a premium of rupees 35 or at rupees 35 above par. And the fifth one, if the market value of a share is less than its nominal value or the face value, then the share is called at discount or below par. If a share of rupees 100 is selling at rupees 88, then it is said to be selling at a discount of rupees 12 or at rupees 12 below par. Now, the dividend. It is the profit which a shareholder gets for his or her investment from the company. The first one is the dividend is always expressed as the percentage of the face value of the share. And the second one is the dividend is always given by the company on the face value of the shares purchased, irrespective of the market value of the share. Now, you have to remember certain formulas in order to solve the problems. Investment. The money invested is equal to the number of shares multiplied by the market value of one share. Income or return. The annual income is equal to number of shares multiplied by rate of dividend declared by the company multiplied by face value of one share, and the percentage of return, that is equal to the annual income or the dividend divided by investment multiplied by 100%. Now the number of shares purchased, it is equal to the investment divided by market value of one share or the annual income divided by income on one share, or it is equal to the total face value by face value of each share. Now we will solve certain example questions. Example number 1. It is given that a man purchases 600 shares of face value rupees 40 at par. If a dividend of rupees 1680 was received at the end of the year, then asked to find the rate of dividend. According to the solution, the total value of all the shares, that is the investment, is equal to 40 multiplied by 600, that is equal to 24,000. Now, the dividend received at the end of the year is rupees 1680 as per the question. Now, the rate of the dividend is equal to, we know the formula, dividend by investment multiplied by 100%. Therefore, it is equal to 1680 divided by 24,000 multiplied by 100%, that's equal to 7%. Now proceeding to the next example, it's given that Raman has 450 shares of rupees 200 of a company, paying a dividend of 16%. Then find his net income after paying an income tax of 20%. As per the solution, the total dividend is equal to number of shares multiplied by rate of dividend multiplied by face value of one share. That's equal to 450 multiplied by 16 by 100 into 200, that's equal to rupees 14,400. Now, as per the question, the income tax is paid 20%. Therefore, the 20% of 14,400 rupees comes to rupees 2,880. Therefore, the net income of Raman at the end of the year is rupees 14,400 minus rupees 2,880. That's equal to rupees 11,520. Now, proceeding to the next example. In the question asked that how much should a man invest in rupees 80 shares selling at rupees 75? This rupees 75 is nothing but the market value of the share. In order to obtain an annual income of rupees 1080 if the dividend declared is 15%. Now, solution. Dividend on one share is equal to 15% of rupees 80, that is equal to rupees 12. Now, the number of shares purchased according to the formula, that's equal to total dividend divided by the dividend and on one share, that's equal to 1080 divided by 12, that comes 90. Since the market value of the share is rupees 75, therefore the sum invested by the man is equal to the number of shares multiplied by the market value of the share, that comes 90 multiplied by 75. It is equal to rupees 6,750. Now proceeding to the next example. In the question given that which is a better investment, that is 12% rupees 100 shares at 120 or 8% rupees 100 shares at 90. As per the solution, since the profit percent on the market value is always equal to the dividend percent on the nominal value. In the first case, the profit percent on rupees 120 is equal to 12% on rupees 100. It implies P by 100 into 120 is equal to 12 by 100 into 100. It implies the profit is equal to 10%. And in the second case, profit percent on rupees 90 is equal to 8% on rupees 100. It implies that P by 100 times 90 is equal to 8 by 100 times 100. Finally, the profit is equal to 8.9%. The investment giving the greater profit percent is always the better one. Therefore, in this question, the first investment is the better one. My dear students, before you proceed to solve the exercise problems, it is always better to solve the example questions given on your textbook. In my next video, I will explain you few more examples on shares and dividends. Thank you for watching this video.